Andrea, yours is bad fortune. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. That's good. Ohayou gozaimasu.
Time, please check to make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened.
It's alright. Thank you. So we literally just got out of bed and then oh look, salmon flakes, tuna mayo. We're going to 7-Eleven. I got noodles because I really want broth. I also had to rent these pajamas because I forgot to pack some. So these are the pajamas from the hotel. They're not bad, they're just like basketball shorts. My little haul from 7-Eleven is the tuna mayo onigiri. This because I wanted to just try it out. Orange juice because I want to see what it tastes like in Japan. Got a cheese croquette. My total for everything was 915 yen. I don't know how much that is. I'll convert it later. Or once I convert it, I'll put it here. 915 yen is how much US dollars. So this is what the noodles look like. I honestly didn't know what to grab. I just grabbed whatever looked good. So that was this one. There was definitely more things I wanted to grab in 7-Eleven, but I didn't want to overwhelm myself with too much food on the first night. Onigiri straight from Japan. The rice is good. It just tastes like tuna mayo. Oh, it's hot. Oh, this is good. My sister got this, but we don't like it. The sauce is like a fish sauce type of ordeal. Obviously we should have had an open mind, but we didn't. We thought it was gonna be sweet.
Time is currently 2 a.m. We're super jet lagged and I need to pee. There's a bidet. My first time using a bidet. Is that Imari? Oh yeah, it is. Ohayou gozaimasu. Today's day 2.
No. Oh, sorry. Going back to 7-Eleven.
What? Sure.
God, it was my first vending machine drink. And it's coffee, of course. I want to try one of these, Ange. I want to try. It's this one. This has the egg and the chicken cutlet. Coffee. Okay, I'm gonna try the coffee first. I'm so excited.
I feel like it's strong.
No, it's not. It tastes like hot chocolate, actually.
Oh, it's hot?
Yeah.
Oh.
It tells you on the okay, first sandwich I'm gonna try is this one. I feel like it's a little heavy for the morning, but
Good.
mm-hmm.
It's a big chunk of chicken.
Mm-hmm. Delicious. Next up, egg sandwich.
Ew.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of egg sandwich, but they eat it so much I just want to try it. Interesting. It doesn't have like an overly egg taste. Yeah. Next up, the cute.
It's not bad overall.
And
Good?
you have to eat this.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is delicious. And it melts right in your mouth.
Oh, like artificial strawberries.
It's alright. Tastes like ice. There's no tart. Tastes like
Pretty
our
good.
yogurt syrup.
Yeah. It's like Jello.
Yeah. Jello and like yogurt mix. So my goal for Japan is to try as much food as I can. So if that means not finishing something so I can have space for trying more food, I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and waste the food, which sounds really unethical. I really want to try as much as I can. And I already don't eat a lot. Okay, I eat a lot, but I can't stomach too much in one go. Today's plan is to go wear kimonos and go to like a couple of the shrines. Because I'm wearing heels, I'm really glad we're gonna go try on kimonos, because then I could be in sandals for a couple like of hours at least. Yeah, it's so nice out. Oh, they got mango. Is it everything you imagined? Oh yeah?
But it's not like, oh my
Is
god.
the strawberry good? Mmm.
Yeah, it's super juicy.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
The strawberry's so good. Oh my god.
That is, I think that's a sea urchin. Yeah,
Oh, the lighting's good. Really? Wow. So I bought slippers because I couldn't do it anymore. Anyways, I'm here for the pants. I think I'm gonna do this one.
The 130 is a size, so look. This one is super cute. Look at the dog and the things on it.
I'm gonna go find their sweet potato because it smells so good. So excited. Ohio. I'll get one. Oh, okay. This one.
Thank you.
Arigato gozaimasu. You wanna try it?
Look cool.
Yeah, it's hot. Ah, it's so hot. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking hot.
It is sweet. But it's a little dry, yeah.
帘子进入更衣室，等候的客人请在一层等候，请不要在这里等待。谢谢您的合作。
Thank you.
We're gonna have to go back to the...
It's good.
I need a napkin to block my face.
The rice is soaked in sauce. You want to spit it out, huh? The lighting here is cute.
Wait, stand over there and show me your outfit.
Okay, that's just her fortune.
Stick. Whatever's on there. Ooh, I got 5.
95.
Wow. Dude, I got 5 and you got 95. Makes 100.
Oh! Andrea, yours is back fortune! Frick! Wait, what did that mean, sis? Fortune.
With green.
What do you want?
Blended matcha latte with
Hold on.
You're not gonna like it. Very grassy.
Yeah, I do not like it.
Me after eating the Grinch's ass.
Ew. So I thought mine had ice cream in it because the photo she showed us had ice cream back in our regular clothes. No, we miss it. We miss it. But I like my outfit too, so I'm not too mad. Myself coffee. Maybe you can flash it too. Shabuya!
There's wasabi under. I wonder why it tastes kind of like spicy.
We found out that our flight isn't until 5, so we have a few more hours to just explore and get some more souvenir shopping done. So that's what we're doing. I'm just wearing skinny jeans, pants, a white long sleeve, and my jacket. I want what we don't have at home. It's okay. It's like a McChicken, but breakfast style. Lettuce. I mean, I don't know. What do you think? Which one are you getting? This one?
I think this guy. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
Is it really? I want to feel.
Feel. Whoa, look at the steam coming out of it.
That is hot. Up. Better than McDonald's. Try.
Oh, it's good. Not bad. It's not super strong.
Arigatou gozaimasu. so good. Not that good. A big mall or something. Let me see the ones you like. These are okay. I like the yellow one more, but I feel like I'm feeling I might like the white one more. Ohio pudding? I'm not sure if it's like flavored or what, but wow, it's really liquidy. Oh my god, it's really good actually. I like it. Wow, it's so like whole milk. Yeah. I found this. I was looking for it. Thumbs up. So cute. Thank you.